Welcome back. On this episode of Barton RVing, we are going to cross the bridge and go to the other side of Corpus Christi. We're going to do a drive-by the Lexington and check out Indian Head Point Park.
We're heading to that area over there, to the Lexington. There's the Texas State Aquarium. People walk this bridge. I don't know if I could.
Your Uncle Neto could walk across this bridge?
Uncle Neto, could you walk across this bridge? Maybe. I think you could, dude. There's the aquarium. There's something big over there next to it.
As we cross the bridge, you can see the Uss Lexington and some of the hotels and buildings out there. Corpus is trying to revitalize this part of town, and if they would just, put in half the effort that maybe like Galveston does, this would be a real nice place. I really don't like Galveston, but I do like what they've done to Galveston.
Blackbeard's.
Blackbeard's is a pretty good restaurant.
Yeah, we enjoyed it.
We stayed at that hotel too.
Yeah.
The one called
Doubletree.
Back in the day. It's called something else.
Oh. We used to stay in the Quality Inn one also.
Oh. Was it the Quality Inn still there?
Yeah. Public restroom, straight ahead.
And there's steak and seafood there and a Mexican in there. Military memorabilia.
Yeah, that'd be cool to go into. Yeah. Yeah, we can go. Oh, we have patitas. We have to find shade. That's a veteran showroom. Yeah, you want to get down real quick?
You have to pay for these parking. See the low meters?
Oh, yeah.
The cop just passed by me, so.
Yeah.
So I guess we'll get a drive-by. Can you park in there? No, that's the aquarium. I recommend everybody come and go to this aquarium. It's nice.
We brought my little cousin Matt and Rara. I'm sorry, he's 18. So Matthew and Robert here when they were little, and my brother showed up. Took the boys there. They have a splash pad. I say boys because when we brought them, they were like 8 and 6. Now they're 19 and 18. So yeah, it's been a good while since we had them with us, and we had a bigger RV then. Just to bring all the kids with us, Alicia and Matthew, our niece and nephew.
There's a lot of stuff in there, but it's not so big that you
feel overwhelmed.
Or it's too much to do. So it's a pretty good thing to do.
Yeah.
I guess those Columbus boats aren't here anymore.
No, they used to be right there.
I guess they sailed back to Spain.
Yeah, back to Spain. Yes, the park's not open yet because there's people standing there. Oh, they're buying tickets out here now. Used to be able to buy tickets inside, going inside the aquarium, but they're right there outside now. That's pretty cool. And back in the day, I know you could go, if you worked for HEB, the company, like I do, you can go online and print out a little voucher and you got a discount. I don't know if they do that now, but all you had to do was get it signed by your manager, and then you show it here at the box office or at the office, ticket office, and you get a discount. So that's how we brought the kids that one year. There's another one we used to like to eat at, Pier 99.
Oh yeah, Pier 99.
And there's a big old P that says parking over there for free, but you have to go all the way around.
One time Rob Zombie was here. Remember we saw that picture? Mm-hmm. We weren't here. He was here. Oh, look, they fixed that up.
Yeah, they have fixed all this area. Ooh, we can go walk that. Oh no, this is meter.
No parking.
That's meter.
Meter.
Everything looks like a meter.
There's the Lexington. A couple movies were filmed on here. I know one of them was Pearl Harbor, and another movie was filmed on there. I'm not sure what it was.
We were gonna watch Top Gun here on Saturday. That was gonna be our date night, but they sold out on all the tickets, and they were gonna show it on the Lexington, which was gonna be so cool. But nope, didn't happen. Ran out of tickets.
Mr. Sharky. Sharky. Why do all these beach sales places have a shark on it and you walk through the mouth?
Yeah.
You ever notice that?
Mm-hmm. Hey, we really didn't get much of the Lexington because everywhere you have to pay to park. And it's too hot to get down to walk with Billy. We don't want his little paws to get burnt. So, and we don't want to leave him in the vehicle either. It's 85. So that was as close as we could get to the Lexington, guys. But we do suggest, if you're ever down in the area, tour the Texas Aquarium.
Yeah, we would have paid the parking meter and all that if we never seen it, but we've been there.
Yeah, we've been there
bunches of times.
Been to that little place, Fajitaville. It's pretty good. I ate there with my friend Jennifer. We had a good time, had some drinks. Very nice little atmosphere. Cool little lighthouse they're building right here. I think it's like a wedding venue. Area. Wedding venue place. Hey, this is the bridge going to Gregory, Portland. We're going to go check out the new Indian Point area. They remodeled it.
We're back out here on the road, and actually we're supposed to go the other way, but due to all that construction that's going downtown, well, it's not downtown, I guess, right there on North Beach, that it kind of kicked us out this way. I don't know if we just took the wrong turn or we didn't see the sign, but all the construction kicked us out towards the east when we need to go back to the west. And we decided there's a pier out here we used to go to all the time. It's called Indian Point Pier, and I think in the beginning I called it Indian Head. I don't know why. But anyways, we're going to go into there and check it out because I don't know if everybody remembers, but Hurricane Harvey kind of destroyed Rockport, and it destroyed a lot of piers out here. So I don't know, and it destroyed Bob Hall Pier for those people that go out there. And I don't know if it really destroyed this one, but it's been rebuilt and it looks real good. And you'll see the little artsy structure they put out here, and we're about to turn in there and you'll see everything and see how good it looks. I think there's a good YouTube channel called Boondocking with Dennis, and he said this road actually goes all the way to Portland right here. See this road? But they closed it off so the cars wouldn't drive through there. But that road would actually go to Portland, and I think that was the actual road before they built that causeway to come over here. But it would flood all the time. As we come around the corner, you'll see the pier and the structure that I was talking about. It reminds me of that building or whatever in Australia. That's what it looks like to me. And actually, this is a park. There's you'll see the other stuff out there. The pier is a T-head pier, and I haven't caught anything memorable out here, but I have seen somebody catch the largest jack cervelle I seen caught in person, and that was like over an hour fight. It was real nice to watch. But yeah, you could catch some good fish out here. Okay, this is a new Indian Point Park. I guess the hurricane destroyed the old one. They rebuilt it. And here is a little artwork they did. Looks pretty fancy, huh? Nice little tables. It's kind of tight though. Got some shade. Huh. I ran into this lady and dog again.
Man, keep stopping them.
I had to cut the audio here because of the wind was picking up, and I don't have any external microphones, so I can't cover it with that dead cat cloth to reduce wind noise. If anybody knows how I could fix that, maybe I could find some kind of cloth to put on the camera itself where the microphones are. But anyways, there's two barbecue pits here in this park, one in the front and one in the back. And this is actually in Portland, Texas, because as you can see, Corpus is down there in the distance. And this park was made with donations from the Zachary Group, Mitsubishi Heavy Industry America Incorporated, and in conjunction with the Gulf Coast Growth Ventures. And they donated $2 million for this. So this is a very nice park. And when we get up there on the pier, I'll show you the improvements. They actually improved this pier. Right here, I'm trying to show you what this pier is made out of now. It's actually made out of plastic, and I'm thinking it's that recycled plastic. So it's actually stronger. I think it's actually stronger than the original wood pier that was here. And the only way we'll figure that out is with time and see how good this plastic lasts. But as for like benches and stuff, I've seen benches made out of this, and I don't really see them deteriorating too much. So over time, we'll see how this works out. Okay, Barton RVing, we're back at the same area fishing, but we got a new strategy. We went and got some chicken necks, and what did we catch?
We caught a blue crab.
Woo, look at that big blue. Turn him on the other side, let's see what he looks like. That's how it's done, son. That's how you catch some blue crabs. I'd like to say we caught a whole bunch, but we actually only caught 3. And I think maybe it's because we started late. But anyways, that's probably going to be enough for me and Kathy, because we're going to add shrimp and do a crab boil. And we'll probably make a video on that and call it a catch and cook video, because I see that's kind of popular on YouTube. So later on in the year, maybe next year, we'll show you that video of blue crab catch and cook. Okay, gonna do some night cooking probably.
We are doing night cooking.
Got a little late start.
Went crabbing.
And crabbing. You see the sun's about to go down, or it is down. How was it? 7:27. Yeah, about sundown.
Alright guys, tonight we're going to try making Fideo Loco.
As you can see, all the ingredients are from HEB, and the wind got us again, so you're going to have to listen to my voice instead of my beautiful wife Kathy's voice. So the first step you're going to do is to brown your ground meat on the Blackstone, and then you're going to slice up some of the vegetables. I believe it's bell peppers that she's slicing up right here. The reason why my big old hand's in the picture is Billy bit me. I was trying to take him out of his cage, and he bit me for some reason. He's just getting to be an old dog, so I guess he didn't realized who I was or wasn't awake all the way and decided to chomp on me. After you browned everything on the grill, you see, let's see, we browned the meat, we browned the vegetables, and we browned the Fideo. After you brown all that, you mix them all together, stir them all up, get them all combined, and then you're gonna open up all the cans, dump all the cans into there, and then you're gonna add water. Now we measured the water to a certain level, but as you can see, it really wasn't enough. So what you really need to do is make sure the water level is above all your food, and then when you get that all situated, you're gonna bring it to a boil. Make sure it starts boiling. Then as soon as it starts boiling, you'll start your time, about 10 minutes, and then after 10 minutes it should be ready to go. Before everybody starts commenting on me, I did go over my 15-minute mark. I actually went over 3 minutes and 14 seconds. Just count it as bonus footage. You got lucky. Well, that's gonna be it for today, and thank you for watching our video, and we'll see you next week.